Lotus Elan 26R. Have a quick look at it. So it's just on warm up at the moment. It runs a Lotus twin cam 1600 engine. It's an absolute giant killer. We'll be racing up against the likes of 18 Cobras, as well as the other Elans in the race, and I think we'll be one of the ones to beat. So, yeah, super looking forward to that. And it is absolutely boiling this weekend. It's an absolute scorcher of Spa, blue sky, literally not a cloud in it. So yeah, it's going to be quite hot work in this, in the 3-hour race going on to the evening. So keep posted for that qualifying later on. So that is pole position done, which is mega. P5 overall, P1 in class, ready for the 6-hour. Fastest I've ever been around here in Elan, and I like to think I was the fastest guy before then anyway. So yeah, set us up nicely for the big race tomorrow, which starts at 7 o'clock European time, going on until 10 o'clock European time tomorrow evening. So yeah, buzzing for it. Let's go get a result. Graham, the owner of the car, is now back in the car. P2 in class, literally on the bumper of P1 in class. I've been very closely matched to the other Elan co-driver, Graham Slim, really closely matched as well. So it's going to be a really close race. We're only 40 seconds behind the Cobras as well, which means they've got fuel before the end of the race, so we could end up leapfrogging them as well. So yeah, next update will probably be the end of the race in an hour and a half's time. So yeah. Stay tuned to live timing and see you then.
nomme David Pittard. Et en l'honneur de Graham Wilson, dont la licence est luxembourgeoise, eh bien on va s'écouter, et oui, l'hymne national luxembourgeois.
So it was another successful combination of Wilson, Pittard and the 26R, where we managed to get another win at Spa, and hopefully this sets up nicely for the Spa 6 hours in September. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Like it if you do, and if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe. Thanks a lot, bye bye.